Hi, this is Chris, and we're looking at here is Anejo Gold D G. This is a crushed granite rock find. It's a really nice material. It's an excellent value. Comes out of Southern California. Packs down really well. Has a good ratio of aggregate pieces to rock finds, and that's what you need to have a DG material that'll pack in really well for a pathway, a patio, utility area. If you have a DG material that's lacking in aggregate material or has way too much high amount of silt or clay in it, that's when you wind up with a material that's sticky or tracks everywhere when it's wet. When this material is wet, it stays where it needs to be, in the pathway or the surface, not on your shoes. Anejo Gold's a great value for Southern and Central California. We ship it bulk and in bags throughout those regions. Anejo Gold DG.